Hi everyone. So this is my modular cutlery dryer to go at the edge of the sink with the slope so the water drains into the sink. This modular, you get the different files for the walls, for the columns and for the base. The base has a nice slope, the water flows into the sink, and you can configure the lengths of the dryer for yourself by printing the base longer and the columns longer or shorter, whatever you like. Hope you like it. Let's see the CAD file. So here we are in FreeCAD. These are the parts for the modular kitchen dryer. These are the columns which go in these holes. This is the base. I offer this type with a little part here which goes on the side of the sink, on the edge of the sink, and there is another one, this one which is completely flat, and you can design your own shoulders onto it if you need. These have a nice slope so the water goes into the sink. Okay, and then we have the walls. I have a tall and a small version, and from each of them I have one without the holes. So this is the which one is this? The small one. So there is no holes here, and the other version has holes. You don't see it, yeah, from this side you see, and depending on what you want, you can print either of these. I'm including the STL files for each for you to download. I think it's the one without the holes is better, and also I'm only including one side, and you can mirror it in your printing program like Orca Slicer, or either you just mirror it on the Z or Y axis. Okay, this is the small version, and this is the high version without holes, and the high version with holes. Okay, and also the column, the little column, you can resize it to whatever size you want. So now it's I think 50 millimeters, but I'm also including the FreeCAD file, so you can resize it here to whatever. Or you can do this also in your printing program, the slicer program, the Orca Slicer. Yeah, and to assemble it, you need just a little super glue. So you put the columns here, and yeah, I made it the size of a column. The columns is 0.5 millimeter smaller than the hole, so it fits. I just need a drop of super glue here, and then you are done. And you also need to super glue the base, so you need to put super glue on the bottom here, and I recommend brand Wellerman super glue because it's not too liquidy, not too gluey, and it's just perfect for PLA, PETG. And I am recommending PLA for printing because that's the most food friendly. It's not food friendly, but it should be alright. So a few more words about 3D printing. I suggest using PLA because you don't need high temperature resistant or anything. So the basic PLA should be all right. As far as I know, PLA is the most food friendly. It's not food friendly, but in this case it's not coming in contact with food, just with your cutlery, but you eat with your cutlery, so PLA. And then I suggest printing the base standing and in standing position or vertical position. And as you can see on the picture, I was using mouse ears at the edges, but still the edge, which is the narrowest or most edgy, I don't know how you say it in English, came a little loose, so there was a little warping. Maybe the PLA I'm using was a very cheap material, I don't know. The printer is fine, it's a GD Plus 4, and the one of the bases was 10 centimeters tall, and that was all right. The other one, which was 15 centimeters tall, came a bit loose. There was a little warping. The printer could still finish it, but there was like a millimeter warping at one edge. All right, hope you like it. Bye.